How to delete your Limbus Company account. Here's what you have to do. Load up the game, click on the cogwheel in the top right, and then you want to select settings. From here, choose account, and once you choose account, scroll all the way down, and underneath on link accounts, you should see close account. Click on that option. If you close your account, all gameplay and purchase data will be deleted. You will be given a 7-day grace period. You can restore the account if you sign in before the end of the period. Right here, if you agree to the terms above, you want to enter the letters you see in the box. So in this case, it's going to be Limbus Company. Afterwards, you'll click on confirm, and that is how you delete or close your Limbus Company account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.